Did you clean the kitchen?
Yes, I cleaned the kitchen. Did you clean the kitchen?
No, I didn't clean the kitchen. Do you like apples?
Yes, I like apples. Do you like apples?
No, I don't like apples. Can you drive a car?
Yes, I can drive a car. Can you drive a car?
No, I can't drive a car. Are you working now?
Yes, I'm working now. Are you working now?
No, I'm not working now. Do you play soccer?
Yes, I play soccer. Do you play soccer?
No, I don't play soccer. Will you study tonight?
Yes, I'll study tonight. Will you study tonight?
No, I won't study tonight. Have you visited New York?
Yes, I've visited New York. Have you visited New York?
No, I haven't visited New York. Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I eat breakfast every day. Do you eat breakfast every day?
No, I don't eat breakfast every day. Is it hot today?
Yes, it's hot today. Is it hot today?
No, it's not hot today. Did you see my message?
Yes, I saw your message. Did you see my message?
No, I didn't see your message. Are you wearing a jacket?
Yes, I'm wearing a jacket. Are you wearing a jacket?
No, I'm not wearing a jacket. Can you open the window?
Yes, I can open the window. Can you open the window?
No, I can't open the window. Will you call me later?
Yes, I'll call you later. Will you call me later?
No, I won't call you later. Do you like your new phone?
Yes, I like my new phone. Do you like your new phone?
No, I don't like my new phone. Have you done your homework?
Yes, I've done my homework. Have you done your homework?
No, I haven't done my homework. Is she your sister?
Yes, she's my sister. Is she your sister?
No, she's not my sister. Did you buy a gift?
Yes, I bought a gift. Did you buy a gift?
No, I didn't buy a gift. Can you come with me?
Yes, I can come with you. Can you come with me?
No, I can't come with you. Are you staying home today?
Yes, I'm staying home today. Are you staying home today?
No, I'm not staying home today. Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking. Do you enjoy cooking?
No, I don't enjoy cooking. Did you go out last night?
Yes, I went out last night. Did you go out last night?
No, I didn't go out last night. Can you see the screen clearly?
Yes, I can see the screen clearly. Can you see the screen clearly?
No, I can't see the screen clearly. Are you watching TV?
Yes, I'm watching TV. Are you watching TV?
No, I'm not watching TV. Will you join the meeting?
Yes, I'll join the meeting. Will you join the meeting?
No, I won't join the meeting. Do you go to the gym?
Yes, I go to the gym. Do you go to the gym?
No, I don't go to the gym. Have you met my friend?
Yes, I've met your friend. Have you met my friend?
No, I haven't met your friend. Is the water cold?
Yes, the water is cold. Is the water cold?
No, the water is not cold. Did you eat dinner already?
Yes, I ate dinner already. Did you eat dinner already?
No, I didn't eat dinner yet. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
No, I can't hear you. Are you enjoying the class?
Yes, I'm enjoying the class. Are you enjoying the class?
No, I'm not enjoying the class. Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a pet. Do you have a pet?
No, I don't have a pet. Will you take a break soon?
Yes, I'll take a break soon. Will you take a break soon?
No, I won't take a break soon. Did you take the bus?
Yes, I took the bus. Did you take the bus?
No, I didn't take the bus. Are you feeling better?
Yes, I'm feeling better. Are you feeling better?
No, I'm not feeling better. Can you read this book?
Yes, I can read this book. Can you read this book?
No, I can't read this book. Do you drink coffee in the morning?
Yes, I drink coffee in the morning. Do you drink coffee in the morning?
No, I don't drink coffee in the morning. Is she coming to the party?
Yes, she's coming to the party. Is she coming to the party?
No, she's not coming to the party. Did you find your keys?
Yes, I found my keys. Did you find your keys?
No, I didn't find my keys. Will you stay here tomorrow?
Yes, I'll stay here tomorrow. Will you stay here tomorrow?
No, I won't stay here tomorrow. Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee. Do you like coffee?
No, I don't like coffee. Are you hungry now?
Yes, I'm hungry. Are you hungry now?
No, I'm not hungry. Do you play tennis?
Yes, I play tennis. Do you play tennis?
No, I don't play tennis. Do you live in Honolulu?
Yes, I live in Honolulu. Do you live in Honolulu?
No, I don't live in Honolulu. Is it raining today?
Yes, it is raining today. Is it raining today?
No, it is not raining today. Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English. Do you speak English?
No, I don't speak English. Are you a student?
Yes, I'm a student. Are you a student?
No, I'm not a student. Did you watch the movie?
Yes, I watched the movie. Did you watch the movie?
No, I didn't watch the movie. Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim. Can you swim?
No, I can't swim. Are you ready for class?
Yes, I'm ready for class. Are you ready for class?
No, I'm not ready for class. Did you drink water this morning?
Yes, I drank water this morning. Did you drink water this morning?
No, I didn't drink water this morning. Will you go to school tomorrow?
Yes, I will go to school tomorrow. Will you go to school tomorrow?
No, I won't go to school tomorrow. Have you eaten lunch?
Yes, I have eaten lunch. Have you eaten lunch?
No, I haven't eaten lunch. Are you tired now?
Yes, I'm tired now. Are you tired now?
No, I'm not tired now. Did you study English yesterday?
Yes, I studied English yesterday. Did you study English yesterday?
No, I didn't study English yesterday. Can you play the piano?
Yes, I can play the piano. Can you play the piano?
No, I can't play the piano. Is the shop open now?
Yes, the shop is open now. Is the shop open now?
No, the shop is not open now. Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I slept well last night. Did you sleep well last night?
No, I didn't sleep well last night. Do you like your job?
Yes, I like my job. Do you like your job?
No, I don't like my job. Are you cold?
Yes, I'm cold. Are you cold?
No, I'm not cold. Did you go to the park yesterday?
Yes, I went to the park yesterday. Did you go to the park yesterday?
No, I didn't go to the park yesterday. Will you come to the party?
Yes, I will come to the party. Will you come to the party?
No, I won't come to the party. Have you seen that movie?
Yes, I have seen that movie. Have you seen that movie?
No, I haven't seen that movie. Do you drink tea every day?
Yes, I drink tea every day. Do you drink tea every day?
No, I don't drink tea every day. Are you busy now?
Yes, I'm busy now. Are you busy now?
No, I'm not busy now. Did you visit your friend last week?
Yes, I visited my friend last week. Did you visit your friend last week?
No, I didn't visit my friend last week. Can you cook dinner?
Yes, I can cook dinner. Can you cook dinner?
No, I can't cook dinner. Do you own a car?
Yes, I own a car. Do you own a car?
No, I don't own a car. Is your home near here?
Yes, my home is near here. Is your home near here?
No, my home is not near here. Did you buy groceries today?
Yes, I bought groceries today. Did you buy groceries today?
No, I didn't buy groceries today. Will you help me?
Yes, I will help you. Will you help me?
No, I won't help you. Have you done your homework?
Yes, I've done my homework. Have you done your homework?
No, I haven't done my homework. Do you like to travel?
Yes, I like to travel. Do you like to travel?
No, I don't like to travel. Are you excited about the trip?
Yes, I'm excited about the trip. Are you excited about the trip?
No, I'm not excited about the trip. Did you call your friend?
Yes, I called my friend. Did you call your friend?
No, I didn't call my friend. Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can ride a bike. Can you ride a bike?
No, I can't ride a bike. Is dinner ready?
Yes, dinner is ready. Is dinner ready?
No, dinner is not ready. Did you walk to work?
Yes, I walked to work. Did you walk to work?
No, I didn't walk to work. Do you read books often?
Yes, I read books often. Do you read books often?
No, I don't read books often. Did you send the email?
Yes, I sent the email. Did you send the email?
No, I didn't send the email. Can you help me with this?
Yes, I can help you with this. Can you help me with this?
No, I can't help you with this. Is the bus arriving soon?
Yes, the bus is arriving soon. Is the bus arriving soon?
No, the bus is not arriving soon. Did you finish the report?
Yes, I finished the report. Did you finish the report?
No, I didn't finish the report. Do you like to dance?
Yes, I like to dance. Do you like to dance?
No, I don't like to dance. Are you going home now?
Yes, I'm going home now. Are you going home now?
No, I'm not going home now. Did you clean your room?
Yes, I cleaned my room. Did you clean your room?
No, I didn't clean my room. Can you speak Spanish?
Yes, I can speak Spanish. Can you speak Spanish?
No, I can't speak Spanish. Is lunch on the table?
Yes, lunch is on the table. Is lunch on the table?
No, lunch is not on the table. Did you call your mom today?
Yes, I called my mom today. Did you call your mom today?
No, I didn't call my mom today. Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I like ice cream. Do you like ice cream?
No, I don't like ice cream. Are you reading the newspaper?
Yes, I'm reading the newspaper. Are you reading the newspaper?
No, I'm not reading the newspaper. Did you go shopping yesterday?
Yes, I went shopping yesterday. Did you go shopping yesterday?
No, I didn't go shopping yesterday. Can you play chess?
Yes, I can play chess. Can you play chess?
No, I can't play chess. Is your phone charged?
Yes, my phone is charged. Is your phone charged?
No, my phone is not charged. Do you like dogs?
Yes, I like dogs. Do you like dogs?
No, I don't like dogs. Are you busy now?
Yes, I'm busy now. Are you busy now?
No, I'm not busy now. Do you like swimming?
Yes, I like swimming. Do you like swimming?
No, I don't like swimming. Can you dance?
Yes, I can dance. Can you dance?
No, I can't dance. Do you like chocolate?
Yes, I like chocolate. Do you like chocolate?
No, I don't like chocolate. Is it raining now?
Yes, it's raining now. Is it raining now?
No, it's not raining now. Are you at home now?
Yes, I'm at home now. Are you at home now?
No, I'm not at home now. Is it hot today?
Yes, it's hot today. Is it hot today?
No, it's not hot today. Are you bored?
Yes, I'm bored. Are you bored?
No, I'm not bored. Are you sad today?
Yes, I'm a little sad today. Are you sad today?
No, I'm not sad today. Do you like rainy days?
Yes, I like rainy days. Do you like rainy days?
No, I don't like rainy days. Do you like me?
Yes, I like you. Do you like me?
No, I don't like you.